Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In this video, we will learn how to stop and undo permanent Windows 10 updates. Many users face issues after updates, like system lag, errors, or unwanted changes. If you're one of them, this step-by-step guide will help you disable updates and prevent them from reinstalling automatically. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type services.msc, and click on OK. A list of services will open. From here, scroll down and find Windows Update. Right-click on it, then select Properties. In the Properties window, change the startup type from Manual to Disabled. After that, click on Apply and then OK. This step ensures that Windows will no longer try to start updates automatically in the background. But to make this change permanent, we need to go one step further. Again, press Windows plus R, type regedit, and click OK to open the registry editor. Once inside, carefully navigate to this path. HK_machine, then select Software, then select Policies, then click on Microsoft and then Windows. Now, right-click on the Windows folder, select New, then click on Key, and name it Windows Update. After that, right-click on the new Windows Update key, choose New, then Key again, and name this one AU. Once you have created the AU folder, look to the right side panel, right-click, and select New, then click on DWORD, 32-bit, value. Name this value No Windows Update. After creating it, double-click on No Windows Update and change its value data from 0 to 1. Then click OK to save the change. By doing this, you've successfully blocked Windows 10 from forcing automatic updates permanently. This registry tweak works together with disabling the Windows Update service to ensure updates won't return without your permission. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.